Good morning, and today I bought a new fuel tank for the Mark 1 Fiesta, and I had it from Car Parts Express on eBay. Cost was around £180. So let's pull it out of the box and see what it looks like. So here it is. It's in a nice grey paint. Seems like a good job. The welds seem good. There's a nice finish on it. I don't know whether I'll paint over it or will I leave it as it is. Now the good thing about it is there is a seal to go with this that comes with it. I didn't know at the time, so I ordered a separate one, but it doesn't matter. So it's all ready to go. Probably won't fit into the Fiesta until probably spring next summer maybe. These are getting a bit rarer now, so I suppose now's the time to buy them. It's just a quick video. Hope you liked it. Press the like. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you again soon. Bye for now.